Exactly 14 days ago, we turned on the 7-day free trial for our Skool community here. And so I'm going to share with you guys exactly what happened and whether the results were good or bad and if you should duplicate this. So when you're inside of your Skool dashboard, here on the left, I'm going to click on pricing. And these are our 3 different membership tiers. We have standard, premium, and VIP levels for which to join our community. And here at the bottom is this big button, the 7-day free trial. Now, when you turn on a 7-day free trial for your Skool community, it turns on a trial for all 3 of your different membership levels. So that would be standard, premium, and VIP, which means when members go to join your community, regardless of which level membership they are joining, they are going to get a 7-day free trial of that. And so I was very curious, is this going to hurt conversions? Are more people going to choose standard because we have a lot of people that choose premium and a few people that oftentimes choose VIP. So I was wondering how this was going to affect changes at different membership levels and ultimately the amount of revenue and the conversions we were receiving into our community. So let's go ahead and look at that. I'm going to click back on the dashboard tab. And really what we want to pay attention to are conversions. So this is your conversion percentage into your Skool community. And prior to the trial, we had a 4% conversion rate. Now, I've only been running this 7-day free trial for 2 weeks now, for 14 days, but the conversion percentage over a 30-day period has grown to 5.5%, which suggests with a 7-day free trial, we are actually closer to a 7% conversion rate, and therefore it's averaging out to 5.5% across a 30-day period. So if I go ahead and click on free trials, the next thing we need to pay attention to is, well, do the free trials convert? We understand it's going to bring more people into the community, but are they going to stick around after the trial or are they just going to cancel? So we can click over here and we can see that we have had 25 free trials in 2 weeks thus far with a 73% conversion rate. So that 73% trial conversion rate means that 73% of people who do our trial end up staying as a customer and a member inside of our community, which is exceptional. All right, I was hoping for anything above 50% because above 50% is really the metric you want to look for in terms of a free trial conversion rate into a paying customer. That means that half of people that do your trial end up becoming a customer, and that would be good. But we are absolutely loving the 73% free trial conversion rate, which means regardless of if people join us on our standard level, premium level, or VIP level, they're sticking around to become paying customers. And so these are ultimately the metrics that you want to look at. Aim for a 50% or higher free trial conversion rate. And if you achieve that, that means people are loving your community. The free trial is going to bring in more individuals because it is a trial and people love to try things out first. And if you have the 50% conversion rate into a paying customer from the trial, then ultimately the free trial is helping you get more customers faster. And so this is just a quick little case study that I love to do around growing your Skool community. If this is helpful, guys, be sure to click one of these videos around here to watch some other strategies on how we are consistently growing our community, and you can as well.